My name is Ben, and I'm the host tonight, and we are here to interview Chief Bamba. So watch out. Chief Bamba, good evening once again.
How are you?
Yeah, I'm good, sir.
You're welcome.
Yeah.
You're welcome.
Yeah. We've been hearing your name, Chief Bamba, and you are a herbalist. And as we are here tonight, we see a lot of people out there, and it was amazing. So it's very impressive to be here, and we want to ask one or two questions. I think we'll go this way. You'll give us some short introduction about yourself.
My name is Sheik Bamba.
Okay.
Amir Sheik Bamba.
Yeah.
That's how everybody is calling, and this name came from the royal family from Niger.
Okay.
In one part, it came from Gambia.
All right.
So actually, the whole thing is a royalty, and then after that one, and then there is a traditional healing that we are doing.
Okay.
Because I'm a traditionalist.
Yeah.
So we are doing a healing.
Okay.
Any other problems that is worrying people, if you come to Sheik Bamba, as you see right now that you come, you see the queue.
Yeah, sure.
You see the queue.
Yes.
So any problem that is worrying people, I'm here for it.
So what do you do for living as a herbalist? What type of sickness do you heal? And then the spiritual problem that you fix for people, like I want to know, and the viewers also to know, if there is anybody need a support or a help from you, the person can do a follow-up.
I can tell you few of them.
Okay.
Like I will tell you the problems that we deal with it today.
Okay.
People that have been coming.
Okay.
We have people with the spiritual problems. We have people that come for marital problem.
Okay.
We come for people that come. The woman is not giving birth. She never give birth. They have a problem for giving birth. We tackle that aspect. We have people that come with this stroke. We have people that come with the back problems. We have people that come with disability.
The back problem as spinal cord problem.
Yes, please.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah. Any joint problem, any other problems like this, we have it. Any serious headache, we have it. I have some people that will travel. They come here to see me. I will do the process for them way before they go for the visa. They travel. I have people that was abroad 10 years, 15 years, 20 years, 30 years they are doing.
Okay.
But
they
don't get papers. They don't see any improvement. Problems are there, one after another, one after another. If me, the Sultan Sheik Bamba, do something, I think by God's grace and God willing, everything will be fine.
What type of problem, or how does the problem affect human beings? Because some of them we know, or we've been hearing that some of the problems that we human beings we face in this life is a spiritual problem, and some are normal or physical problem. And how do you solve those problems? If you can tell us more about that.
You come where I will tell you exactly what it is.
Okay.
Because people are out there sleeping. People are out there working in the office. People are out there working in the markets.
Okay.
But they don't know the real problems that they are facing.
Yes.
A human being must know. Because in this earth we are living, we have 4 elements.
Okay.
What it means: the sun, the water, the wind, the sun, the water, the wind, and the fire.
Okay.
It's a 4.
Okay.
And anybody that God creates, you have 1 element.
Okay.
Only 1 element.
Yeah.
Either you are a fire, or you are a sun, you are a water, or you can be a wind.
Okay.
In these 4, you will have 1. If you have 1, in each element that we have 9 columns.
Okay.
So in each column, there is information that will come.
Okay.
So if we check a person, we will take his name and his mother's name.
Okay.
We combine.
Okay.
If we combine it, we do the calculation, the spiritual calculation. What we will get, the number that we will get, will come and correspond on the person column.
Okay.
From there, we will check the sacrifice that we're supposed to do, the praise that we're supposed to do. We do it with the person. A small thing will change the person's life. A small thing will change the person's life, because sometimes a problem will come. The person's star is a fire.
Okay.
But these witches, these bad people and things will shift the star from a fire to a wind, from a fire to sun, from his life. He won't understand his life. He won't understand. All this come from these witches, these wizards, these bad people that are among us. So we are here to tell people the truth, to explain people how to fix their own life, and then everything would be
okay. Chief,
fine.
Chief Bamba, please, I want to come in here. You mentioned the mother's name, but you didn't add the dad name. And I don't get it. Why is the woman alone give birth to the baby? What about the father too?
Exactly. You come where I will give you the explanation, and then today I'm teaching people.
Okay.
So I will tell you exactly what it is.
Okay.
The father is just there
Okay.
to give a pregnancy.
Okay.
But the mother is holding the pregnancy for 9 months.
Okay.
The child will remain in the womb for 9 months.
Okay. Meaning he's part of the mother's.
The mother.
Now. Okay.
So it's like a connection
Yeah.
between the child and the mother.
Mother.
After the 9 months, he come out again.
Okay.
He will be breastfeeding.
Yeah.
So if you check roughly, a child will be with a mother 85 up to 90% with the mother. You, the father, maybe the child will be with you 10% or less than the 10%.
Okay.
And the gene and everything, if you go and check it, is the mother.
Okay.
So we take the mother's name and the person's name, we combine it, we do the spiritual calculation. What we get inside out of it, we will see if the person's star is a sun, is a water, is a fire, or is a wind. From there, we will do the calculation and see which column did the person belong. Because in this earth, let me do a short calculation for you. We the human beings,
Yeah.
God created us with 9 holes.
Okay.
9 holes.
Yeah.
1, 2,
Yeah.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Yeah.
The front,
Yeah.
8, and the back,
9.
9.
Yeah. That's
So
correct.
if you calculate, you get the person's star. If it's a water, it's a fire, whatever it is.
Yeah.
If you do the calculation, it's a 9 column.
Okay.
Between these 9 column, where did the person's star drop? That's where we will see. And then that's how the person's life, from his birth until he lived the life, that's how he is. God didn't bring us in this earth to suffer. But most of people are suffering, working, they don't get promotion. Working in the market, doing business, they don't make money. People are out there abroad, working, but they don't know their left and right. Some are frustrated,
Yeah.
they want to even come back home. Some of them can't even get the papers. Why all this is happening? Because the person don't know his left or right.
Yeah.
But anybody that come to me, Amir, Sheik Bamba, I will fix the problem. That's the end of the problem. Any person that work with, I guarantee you 7 days.
Okay.
7 days, the person will be back on the normal way.
Okay.
That's how I do my way.
Please, how do you combine the chieftaincy and the herbalist side? How do you go about it? How do you manage yourself?
As you asked me a question in the beginning, I tell you, I came from a royal house.
Okay.
Where my grandfather get that one from his grandfather, and then it's like a dynasty is coming.
Okay.
And this herbal thing, I came alive and find myself into it. My father came alive and find himself into it. So it's a generation, transmission, generation to a generation. The most of my power, I get it from my grandfather.
Okay.
We are 185 grandchildren.
185 children.
grandchildren.
Wow.
But I'm the most closer to my grandfather.
Okay.
Even in the night, before he go to sleep, I'm doing the massages. I'm taking this papa and then give him a hair. We are talking. If he needed something, I go and take. He take this tea. I fix the tea. So he's showing me the exactly way out in these traditional healings and stuff. That's why among of we 185 grandchildren, I'm the first and I'm the number one. What I can do, my own father that bring me alive can do it. He can do it because some of the secret, I'm the only one, I'm the only grandchild that my grandfather take everything and leave it to me. And I was very young. I was moving with the spirit because he let me see. And this spirit you've seen in this earth,
Yeah.
we categorize them.
Okay.
You have the angel are there, you have the jinns are there, you have the dwarfs are there, and then we categorize them.
Okay.
So I don't work with those small dwarfs and things. I work with the jinns.
Okay.
I work with the jinns as my grandfather is working with them. Before he leave this earth, he transmitted everything, gave me. But I come alive, I have a best friend, he's a wonder. You don't have a third eye, you can see it, but he's always with me since my childhood. I
Okay.
grow up with him.
Okay.
I grow up to him, I do everything. That's a Jin Subian. Whatever I need in this healing, God created him, he's like a doctor.
Okay.
Anything, any other problem that I face I can do, then I will call on him.
Okay.
Every night he assists me. This problem you are tackling, do this and that and that and that, and then you get this solution. This
Okay.
problem you are having, if you do this one, the problem is solved.
Okay.
That's why I don't have somebody that can challenge me.
Okay.
I don't have somebody that can challenge me. You are here, you come to interview me. If like I don't want to spoil the interview, like I would tell him to come with the real face, but I bet you everybody will be out right now.
Wow.
So we are not into that.
Yes.
We are here to educate people. We are here to transmit a message to people. We are here to let people know. We are here to let people wake up
Yeah, sure.
and then take care of themselves, think about their life, and then fix the future. That's why we are here.
Okay, Chief Bamba, please, I want to know where exactly you are coming from, because looking at your costume and everything, I don't think you are coming from this country, Ghana here. So I want to know where exactly you are coming from, because some people also travel to another country to seek for help. So I want to know where exactly you are coming from.
My origin, we came from Niger.
Okay.
We came from Niger. My mother's side, she came to the royal side of Gambia. That's
Okay.
where she came from. So it's a combination. Most of people is asking me, my father from Niger and then my mother from Gambia, and all of them are originated from royal house. How did they do this combination? But this one is another long story.
Okay.
Even though that I asked my father, he explained me and everything, but that's how it is. And this one, we are wearing it in Niger, that's how we are doing it. In the royal house, you have to dress like this also.
Well, thank you very much.
You most welcome, you most welcome.
And up to the viewers now, we also thank you for watching this video. And this life is full of spirituals, rituals, so many things. So don't sit there to waste your life. Don't let your life be wasted before you take a move. Pick the number from the screen and contact Chief Bamba for spiritual guidance. You need somebody in this life to be your spiritual guidance, to guide you in spiritual, not physical, and your life will never be the same. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.